Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel Fat Free Life with Dr. Neelam. I'm Dr. Neelam and I myself have lost 25 kgs of weight within 8 months with the right diet and nutrition and exercise regimen. Today we'll make detox vegetable juice as I'm here to tell you how to lose weight with the help of nutrition and nutrition dense food. This is my beetroot juice. It is a vegetable juice to lose weight. Carrots, beetroots, coriander and lemon for making this juice. These are the health benefits of beetroots, coriander and the carrots and my favorite detox juice. And this recipe is very simple. You just have to take 1 glass of water into the jar. See your vegetables, carrots and beetroots into the small pieces. You have to add carrots and beetroots to the water and then you have to add your coriander leaves to the grinder. Now all the vegetables are added into the grinder. You just have to grind it. If you feel that water is less, then you can add more water to it. You have to add lemon juice. Just you have to squeeze half a lemon or 1 lemon to this juice. To know the health benefits of flax seeds, you just have to add 2 spoons of raw flax seeds to this jar, to the juice. And I have already made my video on flax seed. You can just go and check. It is very helpful for the weight loss. Now then secondly, you have to add pink Himalayan salt. I generally prefer pink Himalayan salt. You can add ordinary one also. And this is the cinnamon powder. As you know the health benefits of cinnamon, it is a very good superfood which helps in weight loss and reducing your sugar cravings. I have already made a video on this. Just go and check. Just go and watch my videos on health benefits of flax seeds and how cinnamon helps in reducing weight. They are extremely good and they are the superfoods. Everything together and my nutrients dense vegetable juice is ready. You can see it. It is very dense in color because of beetroot. It is highly nutritious and it detox your body. Detox beetroot juice for weight loss is ready. Take it in my breakfast or sometimes as my dinner. On other social medias like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Button if you like this video and do subscribe to my channel. The notification whenever I'll upload new weight loss video. Down below if you have any queries regarding the weight loss and which all diet you want to see and the recipes you want me to make. Thank you.